Hello agricultural machinery fans, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This year we're travelling to the USA for our feature-length films. We came across the latest Claas Jaguar here in California at the beginning of August. In this video we'll introduce you to this forage harvester and of course get behind the wheel ourselves. It has long been no secret that Claas was working on a new, even more powerful forage harvester. Now it's official. The new Jaguar 1000 series will comprise 4 models between 850 and 1110 horsepower. For the engine, the manufacturer continues to rely on the familiar 24-litre MAN V12 from the Jaguar 990. The pre-production machine you see here is a Jaguar 1200, the new top-of-the-range model from Claas. Particular attention was paid to the crop intake and crop flow during development. According to Claas, this new machine is the widest on the market. The engineers have adapted the V-Flex knife drum, which was already shown last year accordingly. Due to the wide intake, the front attachments, including the pickup, have also been updated. Claas is now also venturing into the 14-row corn header segment with the Orbis 10500. We were already able to work with the 10.5 meter wide front attachment during the film shoot. The stabilizing wheels on both sides are swiveled down on uneven headlands, for example. For road transport, the large Orbis folds into an external width of 3.3 meters. An Orbis 9000 is also available as a 12-row model. The contractor Coelho Custom Chopping was founded 20 years ago by brothers Tony and Craig and now operates a fleet of 8 Claas Jaguars. Here you will find ideal conditions for testing components and limits. They were delighted to hear that they were one of only a few companies in the USA to get access to a pre-production model of the new Jaguar 1200. The special paintwork that we see here is typical of the company. Craig, one of the company's founders, operates a forage harvester himself throughout the year and is very impressed by the extra power compared to his 980 machines. Claas has chosen California as the location for the world premiere. The conditions here in the Central Valley are hard to beat, not least because of the intensive irrigation and the climate. Peak yields of up to 90 tons per hectare are not uncommon. Many dairy farmers also harvest 3 crops a year from their fields. Wheat, which is chopped as whole crop silage, is followed by maize at the end of July and then Sudan grass, for example. Alongside France, the USA is one of Claas's most important export markets, after the German domestic market. North American customers love high-powered engines. The previous top model, the Jaguar 990, with a maximum output of 925 horsepower, is highly sought after in the US. During last year's shoot, we were able to film several 990s in action during a major corn harvesting operation in North Dakota. It has been operating in North America with a sales company since 1979 and later built a factory in Omaha, Nebraska. The brand became known on the continent through its combine harvester. The Lexion is popular all over North America. We have already filmed on many farms that operate sizable combine harvester fleets in Claas Seed Green. One of them is this business in the province of Saskatchewan in Canada. Claas is also making progress in the tractor segment. The success of the Lexion and the Jaguar has sparked a lot of interest in Xerion demonstrations among farmers. As part of our new feature film production, Agriculture in the USA, which is due to be released on 4K video stream and DVD in autumn, we also had the opportunity to film a Xerion 12. For our new independent film series, We visited farmers and contractors in a total of 12 US states throughout the year. Back to our first experience of the new Jaguar. The SimMotion control lever and CBIS terminal remain the driver's control center in the cab. The new optional joystick steering looks very interesting, but was unfortunately not yet available for our shoot. This will be located on the left armrest. According to Claas, the large series is set to enter production in Haasewinkel as early as autumn 2025, with product demonstrations taking place in Germany during the maize harvest. Find out more about the latest product innovations and our test drives on our YouTube channel.